In the previous video, we have seen how to print the items in the linked list. In this video, we'll see how to append an element to the end of the linked list. So let us say this is our list and we need to append 40 at the end of it. So the first thing we need to do is we have to create this node. After creating this node, what we will do is we have a previous pointer. First, it will point to the head. We need to traverse through this list until we get previous.next as null. That means the previous will point to the last node in the list. Once we reach previous.next as null, what we'll do is we will point previous.next to the newly created node. So that's it. That is how we can append a node to the list. And finally, this is how our list will look like. We need not worry about this previous pointer because once we exit the method, that will be garbage collected. So let us go ahead and implement this append. So I'll write append and this method will receive a value. So first let us create this node. Const node is equal to new node of value. Now we need to create this previous pointer. This will keep updating. So I'll declare it with the let. First it will point to the head and we need to loop until we reach the end of the list. So I have a condition saying while previous dot next not equal to null. That means we haven't reached the end yet. Once the previous dot next becomes null, it will exit the loop and previous will point to the last item. So I need to update previous as previous dot next. So once this loop finishes, previous will point to the last item. So what we'll do is we will say previous dot next as the new node. So now this will point here and finally we need to update the size. So I'll write this dot size plus plus. So that's about append function. Let us test this linked list dot append of 50 and I'll just print it and see. So the append method is working fine. In the next video, we will see insert where we will insert a value at a given index.